I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Waiting.
Calling at Feltham, Whitton, Twickenham, Richmond, Putney, Clapham Junction, Vauxhall and London Waterloo. Otherwise you may have to pay
Tour. King. Guys, so I am now in Putney. And we're gonna take a bus ride. Maintay. Nabes ni girl. Putney na. Itong bus stop. Katoy. Saan na tayo, Carl? Oh, sorry. Hey guys. Ay, akala ko may camera ka. Nice yung photo ang ano, iPhone. So, hey guys, nandito kami sa may part pa rin ng Chelsea pa, no? Pero nalampasan na namin yung Marsden. Royal Marsden? What is that? Royal. The hospital. Where are you? Anong kinukuha mo? Aray ko? Aray ko. Noon sa man, uy. Malamig. See it, report it.
Approaching is to Arnos Grove. Please stand back from the...
I'm going to Egypt. Naku guys, they're in us underground. Pwede naman ni Carlo.
I just need to quickly go.
Libro. Parang libro. Puro lang libro dire. Oh. Dito na kami sa Central. Ano to, anak? Where are we? Madaming tourist, oh. Ako din, tourist ako. Doon. Daming tolay. Ano ka, boss? Muli ako guys ng doon book, 75 pounds. There's so many people. Where is it? We're going to Jollibee. Lakad yung friend daw niya ano doon sa American Candy.
No, my friend.
Ah,
It's a for.
so ganito ang London guys, madumi. Charot. Madaming tao. Kaya hindi ko yan gusto dito. Oh, let's go. Don't run.
Look, it's my old shop.
Where? Suits. Pa ako. Gatay na to. Ayoko talaga nagpupunta sa London ba? Kasi ang pangit-pangit. Walang sasakyan. I mean like, kailangan mo lakarin. Kasi, ano siya? Oh, ano nangyari sa totoo? Lalakarin naman Chinatown doon. There's a Chinatown over there. Chinatown dire. Tapos M&M's. Yung building na yan. Tapos Sweet Tea. Yung building na yan. Yan o. Yan ang Chinatown. Chinatown. Saan yun na ba ang Jollibee? Ang Jollibee. Dahil Jollibee, naglakad ako. And Darth Vader. Wait. Sino yan? Sino yan? Star Wars. Star Wars. Uy! Ano ba? Uy! Nag-vlog naman ako, anak.
Yeah, but then you become a target.
Jollibee, malapit na. Malapit na yung Jollibee. Oh, nandito na kami sa loob ng Jollibee. This is the Jollibee here. Jollibee. Sige, kunin mo na. Sino yung... Anak, wala. Oh, ilabas mo na nga. Jollibee is real. Tapos meron kaming mango pie. Tapos meron kaming ito, Jollibee. Sarap naman niya. Ubos. Kain pa. Dito kami sa Brewmaster. Tapos umiinom ako ng Guinness. Ay, mapait pa ito. Pagod na kami. Pagod na kami. Sakay na ulit kami. Underground. May... $20 minutes, pero dun tayo. Oh, where is that? Ay, oo nga pala. That's... Where? Libro na naman? Diba guys, hindi ako makapunta sa pupuntahan ko lang nag-iisa ako. Inistorbo ko pa yan. Day off. Inistorbo ko magpunta sa London. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-train, mag-bus, gano'n. So, pag ano ka dito, ganyan rin. At, ayan na tayo. Closing na natin ito. Closing na natin ito. So, papunta na yan sa probinsya. Yan ang sasakyan namin. Southwest Rail Train. Hindi tayo pwede dyan, nak? Nakahinga talaga yung balikat ko nung binuhat mo yan. Salamat naman sa anak natin dyan na nagsama sa atin sa tak. Ito po yung loob ng train namin. Kailangan tahimik lang. Where are we going to? Ano seats? Doon pa ko talaga. Sa dulong-dulo. Ay, there's a charger. Mga side table. At may charger doon. May charger kasi, kaya pwedeng mag-charge. Ay, na kami.
Please don't smoke or vape at this station.
Mr. Windsor, Vita Roadside. These are sure to keep organised the blogging with you throughout this journey. Safety information is displayed in all coaches. See or hear anything suspicious or need any assistance, please contact me, your guard, or any member of railway staff. Please suggest for Sunny Bees, Raysbury, or Datchet, please ensure to be in the front 7 coaches of this day coach train. This is due to a short platform. Next stop on our service is Vauxhall.
Yeah, I mean, it's not just that. I mean, obviously I've got
The next
a gate,
station is
yeah,
Vauxhall.
plus all the inconvenience of it, and plus the situation has now changed for me. Yeah.
Calling at Clapham Junction, Putney, Richmond, Twickenham, Whitton, Feltham, Ashford, Surrey, Staines, Raysbury, Sunnymeads, Datchet,